just the chicken plow. You tell me what else is on the menu, please, sir, for today.
Well, it's filthy in here. No wonder it doesn't work. This thing's dirty, man. Nothing can work when it's this dirty. This ought to clean it up some.
Dick. Santa butthole. Why? Chicken dick. Why did you present no one can comprehend? Why? Chicken dick. Why did you present? Why did you get your camera out? Chicken dick.
Nice and clean. Look at that. Everything's nice and clean. Let's see if it works. Huh. Well, that didn't fix it. I think it's time to start changing parts. We'll start with the control board. There we go. Maybe this board too. I think it needs a new one of these too. This TV, it's got a messed up screen, but the stuff inside seems to be intact. We could use these parts. We've done it before. I can be able to change the picture too. That shouldn't be a problem. Let's pull this out of here. Let's see if I can get it out. Ah, look at that. Let's see if this will fit into here. It fits. Oh man. That doesn't fit. Crap. TV also has kind of a messed up screen. It's seen better days. Huh. I bet the internals are okay. Look at it. It's been handled with care. Let's see what's in here. There we go. Oh no, it's broken. The picture tube is smashed. The board looks okay. Let's see what we can do. Get this one out of here. See what this one does. Yeah, we can fit that in there. Look, let's see if we're gonna have high definition, man. Let's see if this will plug in. Oh, look. Plugs in. We're good to go. We got the focusing coil wires hooked together. We got the anode on there. We gotta hook up the tuner. There we go. That's the tuner hooked up. I think we should plug her in. Give her a test. All right, here we go. I don't see it glowing yet. It still doesn't work. Come on now. This is just terrible. I can't believe that didn't work. I changed the whole board. Oh, alright. What other parts can we throw at it? Maybe if I just throw enough parts at it, it'll start working. Flyback transformer. And these other boards had flybacks too. I bet none of them are good. We're gonna try this transformer out.
It was the pick of destiny. Everybody did see ya. Chicken dick got his camera out. The camera went click. Everybody did get That's it. Got his tin chrome out, and he spread it all about.
It's all fixed. Plug it up and see if it works. He'll see. He'll see.
Click, 2, click, 3, click, 4. No one wants the same forevermore. Chicken, why did you